Only the fortunate get to grow old. At least that is what I believe. And I'm wondering if you believe the same thing. So we get older, and how we deal with it varies from person to person. I have always been a person who tries to stay healthy. Sometimes I do a better job of it than others. My body has a fluctuation of about 20 pounds, and this 20 pounds, where I am on the scale, really depends on how much I'm paying attention to my health. My weight fluctuates from about 120 pounds to about 140 pounds. And where I am on that scale is directly related to how much I'm paying attention to this at any given time. Also, the texture of my skin is changing, and it's changing on all my different body parts. My face is different than my neck is different than my chest is different than my arms. And so I'm noticing this as I grow older, and should I just like lean into it and be accepting of it? Should I try things to make myself as healthy as possible for as long as possible? My strength is also something that I am noticing that if I don't pay attention to it through weight training, that it starts to diminish. And so I often lift weights. I like to do little programs to keep me motivated and keep me on track. So why am I sharing these things with you? I am sharing these things because, one, I don't think that we should be ashamed of becoming older, getting older, and having our bodies change, because it is so natural. And secondly, I am going to try a whole host of things to keep me happy and healthy and keep life as fun as possible for as long as possible. For example, I just finished a 12-week challenge from Heather Robertson. And if you've never heard of Heather Robertson, she is fantastic. She has a channel right here on YouTube. Every year she puts out a 12-week program. This year was 5.0, and I just completed that program. Actually, she put it out in January, at the beginning of January, and I tried 4 times to do this program. I tried to recruit people to do it with me, and people agreed, but I would always flake. I was always flaking this year, and I don't know why. And so I was tired of not being accountable, and the summer solstice, which happens on June 20th, I made a commitment to myself to start this program. It's 60 workouts, 12 weeks, and I made a commitment to do every workout without a day off. Now, the way that Heather sets it up, she has it with days off every week, but I was scared to take a day off because I was scared I was going to flake again, and I really didn't want to do that. So from June 20th to August 18th, I did the program, and I feel stronger and happier and healthier for it. In that time, I also did a 14-day jump rope challenge, and I didn't lose a ton of weight. I didn't change my body composition, but I can tell you something, that it was really hard. It's good cardiovascular work, and most of all, it brought back a lot of memories of me being a little girl and jumping rope with my 2 neighbors, Belinda and Julie. I remembered how we would squabble about whose turn it was, and how I was always annoyed because Julie was so much better than me. But it brought back a lot of very youthful, very wholesome memories, and I really enjoyed it. Right now I'm looking for another jump rope challenge, so if you have any suggestions, please send them to me, and perhaps I'll try it. So I'm always trying things like this, trying to be the best version of me. Like I said, Heather Robertson posts these 12-week programs every year. She has 5 out there so far. I have completed 2, but she's also got all of these other workouts and all of these compilations of workouts. So please check out her channel. I don't think that you will regret it. And if you see one that you like, even if you don't have any equipment, just go for it. Just start without equipment. And if you're looking to purchase equipment, I am an affiliate with Amazon, so if you want to purchase some of the things that I have, like just simple things like yoga blocks, yoga mat, some small weights. I have 2 pound, 5 pound, and 10 pound weights, not very heavy at all. I want to get some ankle weights, but I don't have any at this time. So that's all I have, and that's what I use. Oh, bands, resistant bands. I have those as well. So yeah, that's what I use, and they're easy to store, they're easy to keep in the house, and that's what I use every time that I do one of these weight programs. So as I go forward, and again, the goal is not to become super skinny or super fit, but just to be the healthiest version of Joanne that I can be. So yeah, I will try different workout programs. I will try different products for my skin. I will try different regimes. So I'm open to suggestions, and I'm going to try a lot of these things. Most of my content on this channel is about Nicaragua and my wonderful life here in Nicaragua, but every once in a while I'll put in one of these challenges or a new product that I am trying. So these videos will be put into a separate playlist that will be called 50 Plus Solo Challenges, Body, Skin, and Soul. So if you do want to watch it, you know where to find it, and I hope that you join me on these little journeys and that you perhaps are inspired by what I'm doing, and perhaps you can learn of the things that work for me and things that don't work for me. And it's okay if you laugh with me along the way and at times laugh at me. I'm just letting you know what is coming in the future for Coast to Coast with Joanne. Along with all of my Nicaraguan content, you will now see these solo challenges that I will be doing. Have a great day.